Hello everyone, today I'm making shrimp base on sugarcane. Served with vegetables and passion fruit fish sauce dip is so flavorful and nice. Please come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. So please check the recipe in the description box below. Right now I already washed my shrimps and now I devein. I remove all the shells and the head, and I will split it in half to remove the intestine tract. See, I remove the head, but I will leave behind the tamale portion. It's very nice flavor with tamale. If the fat of the shrimp is right there, so your final products will be better. Look good. Yeah. For those of you who are not familiar with this dish, you just think of koobedeh,
Okay, thank you.
Persian beef, and or lamb kabob. The normal kabobs are chunks meat, but the koobedeh are ground. So my shrimp will be ground later. Right now I remove all the moisture that has on the shrimp and I put in the freezer for 5 minutes. You can see the shrimp looks very firm now, and that's what you want. I blend it in the food processor. For this recipe, I use the pork base as well. So please prefer the pork base for Vietnamese ham, bologna sausage recipe. Because of the ingredients, the spices and the seasoning in the pork base, I already put in, so we don't need to add more ingredients into the shrimp base now. Except only 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. You add it now and process together with pork base, and this is the final products that you receive. You can see they are very binding. That's what you're looking for, because on the Asian we love the springy, bouncy texture of this dish. So if you already prepare the sugarcane, I have one sugarcane, long one, I grew myself. If you do not have it, you go to the Asian grocer. They sell the sugarcane for you. So I chop into 4 or 5 inches long, and now I removed the skin of the sugarcane. And now I go ahead to do the shaping. If you not prepare the sugarcane in advance and your base not chill while you prepare the sugarcane, you should stick your base back into the freezer or at least refrigerators to get them chill, because the base needs to be chill at on time, so that we achieve the springy bouncy texture. Mine is very cold. Mine is still cold because my shrimp are cold, my pork base were chilled. That's why I don't put in the freezer. And now I go ahead shaping. So at this point, I use my gloves to avoid the base sticking. So I use a little oil, and you can see my oil a little orange. That because this is achiote oil, the another oil. I think that I have somewhere in my channel how to make the red another oil. You can refer to that recipe. So the purpose here, the goal here, is to wrap the pork and shrimp base around the sugarcane. So if you don't know how much you need, then you do the first one, and you then have the idea for yourself for the next one. So just wrap around the sugarcane, and remember, put the oil only on the outside, because you want the inside of the base stick to the sugarcane. If you get oil inside there, it's very hard to stick, for them to stick. So remember, I oil only the outside of the base so that it don't stick into my gloves, but the inside, absolutely, I will keep it clean without oil. You can see for my pick up base, it's not enough, then I pick up more and finish where it lacking. Just like so, and then you just press the base on the sugarcane, on around, so that they firmly stay there. It don't fall apart, because if the base is falling apart from the sugarcane, and it's not a good effort. So you continue doing that, and we will go to the next step. You just think of this like a kabob recipe. The kabob recipe, you just need to chunk your meat into chunk, and then skew into skewers. But the koobedeh, the Persian recipe, they use the ground beef or ground lamb. And instead of ground beef, ground lamb, I'm using a shrimp base. If you cannot eat pork, you can use a shrimp alone, but you need to increase the shrimp amount. Now, after I'm done, this is time that I steam my kabob sticks. I boil the water, but when you put the kabobs in, you lower, not rolling boiling, and short steam it for 5-7 minutes. You don't steam too long, they fall apart. And after that, I stick them into my freezer. From there, I can use them anytime I want. I can take out a few or a lot or many, and just heat the oil and to be hot. You need to be like a 350 degrees Fahrenheit, because you just want to brown on around. The shrimp kabob sticks already cooked. Now you just brown it on around. Traditionally, we grill them on the charcoal. That's the best flavor ever, but to fry is the easy way to go. That's it. Enjoy them with me. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.